Hello, this short video highlights the most common mistakes students make when writing a lab report. Lab reports are written in past tense because you are documenting what has already been done, and they are written in passive voice. To write in passive voice, do not use names or personal pronouns. Avoid identifying the researchers. The focus should be on the experiment. Do not list materials or number steps, even in paragraph form. Materials should be noted when their use is described. Your intended audience is your peers in the scientific community. You can assume they know proper lab techniques. If a step, piece of equipment, or information should be obvious to your peers, or the information is not relevant, then it is unnecessary and should not be included in the report. Remove the list of materials. Do not use the words we or the researchers. This is not passive voice. Also avoid the words first. That's another way of enumerating the steps. Also, remove the obvious steps, such as using the scissors and ruler to cut the strips of dialysis tubing. Other researchers can figure out how to cut the dialysis tubing. This is an unnecessary detail. A better way to write this method is shown here. Bags were made using 15 centimeter strips of dialysis tubing and sealed with plastic clips. Bag A was filled with. The lab report should be concise, to the point, but still include all necessary information. Other common mistakes include incorrect citations, missing citations, and quotes. Do not list a source if you did not cite it in the text of your report. Use APA format as outlined in the handout. And do not quote. Sources are not quoted in a lab report. You must write the information in your own words. Make sure the information you are using is relevant to your experiment and not just some general information about cellular respiration or another concept. Only include the information that shows how your hypothesis is correct or explains your results. I highly recommend seeking assistance in your literature search from the ACM librarians. They have helped many students with this same task.